not new, bro. I played this game 2 years ago.
Wow, 2 years ago. That's crazy.
Damn, crazy.
Hours I have on this game.
No, you probably have like a
I'm looking at yeah.
170. I have 170.
Use your rail. Okay.
Alright, I'm playing right now.
Okay, I never said like you as you just bought it.
Dude, it is.
Oh, you do good damage.
Wait, Finetti, my dumbest got updated? What?
Oh my god!
Bro, they added fucking Pluto to the game or some shit.
Hi chat, I made 1.4.0. Enjoy the new funny stuff. What? Let me see.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna see so you can read
Yo,
them.
what the hell? Fine, mascot PNM, buckets. Thanks to Spawn. This doesn't affect the normal gameplay, so don't worry. Yeah, that's it. MML IPI fix. What? 3 days ago, bro. You surprised me for a second. Wait, stick near him. Stick near him and shoot him. Tail up.
Thank you for depositing 5 coins.
Oh shit. Wait, hold on. Your nail gun. It's got a red variant. When you you can use it for him. Just plug him. Plug him then shoot. It'll shoot way faster and do a lot of damage.
This?
Yeah, it looks trash at first, but when you
No, that's what I used to beat him the first time, and I already knew about it.
yeah. Yeah, see? When he makes a shot, I reckon like going for him, like stick near him,
For
heal up.
depositing 5 coins.
Like take his blood. Oh crap. Wait, what level is that again? I forgot.
The pyramid. Greed.
Or dash what?
Yeah.
Something dash what? Okay.
Bro, I got 4 tickets.
Wait, I remember you. Fuck.
Thank you for depositing 5 coins.
No.
Okay.
No.
Bro knows who you look. It's victory. Oh, why you walk with him? The video! Literally.
1 HP.
1 HP, holy
1
shit.
HP. 1
You hardest?
HP.
You hardest?
Fuck a blip.
Oh,
I didn't react in time. Fuck.
Damn.
Oh my god, please,
Wait, is that,
please,
Is that brutal? Is that brutal difficulty?
please.
Yeah,
I'll finish both of them, please. Oh my god,
No, like I'm talking about Laos.
please. Oh my god,
It's not brutal difficulty.
is it done? Please.
What difficulty is that then?
Oh my god.
The normal one.
No.
Yes! Oh my
por
god,
Dios.
fuck!
Oh, por Dios.
Oh, I did
Wait,
it.
you did it? Holy shit.
I solved both of them.
Holy shit.
Oh, I did it. Oh my gosh. Am I recording? Yes, I
How
am.
long did you click?
Now I remember why.
Oh my god. This was not fun at all to do. Also. Fuck. Oh man.
Look for my hearing. Fucking gone. Okay, cool.
Yo, Bean Boy said when you beat
Oh, that was not terrible at all.
Did you beat Genki?
Huh? No, I did something else. I did a UCN while solving 2 Rubik's Cubes. That's it. I did it, finally.
Coordinate.
Uh,
After all,
I'm gonna